Let's say that you want to follow somebody on Pinterest. Well, there's a few different ways to do this, and learning how to do this is going to help you have a better experience as a pinner, but also will help you understand how people can find and follow your account. So let's say that I really like this post and I decide I want to follow this person. When I open up the pin, I have the option to go ahead and follow them. So now I'm following their account. I can also follow individual boards from their account. So right now I'm following everything, so I'm going to unfollow them just so that you can see this in action. I'm going to click on boards, and now I can follow individual boards from her account that I'm interested in. So let's say that I'm not really into sewing, but I like the painting stuff. I can follow the one board. So you can follow individual boards, or you can follow a pinner all together. How else can you find people to pin? Well, I found her pin through the home feed. But another way that you can find people is by searching for them. So you can start typing their name if you know who they are, and you'll see people coming, you'll see boards coming up and people coming up here on the search function. So I'm going to click on Crafts by Amanda, and I'm going to get all kinds of content from Crafts by Amanda. So I can find her by the drop down, I can try to find her through here, or I can find her here in the search. Now we can also click on pinners named Crafts by Amanda. So this is another way. Let's say that none of these are actually the person I'm looking for. I can click on pinners named that. I don't know why it says that we can't find anybody named that, because there are people named that, but I'm going to try another version of her name. And so sometimes you really do need to know the pinner's actual name. So here Amanda's going by Amanda's Creative Life, even though I know that one of her sites is Crafts by Amanda. So I can also find her that way and follow her there. So I hope this gives you some insight as to how you can find and follow people and follow boards on Pinterest. Now keep in mind, if you are following a board, you're not going to see everything from this pinner. You'll just see the things from the one particular board that you have chosen to follow. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up to let me know that you liked it, and share this video with your friends. You can hit that little button right there on the bottom. It's a little arrow that says share. You can tweet it out, you can tag a friend, or you can send it via email for them. And I would really, really appreciate you helping spread the word about this Pinterest series. If anything in this video helped you in particular, drop me a comment and I will respond. I will see you on the next video.